Agency and the Federal Emergency Management Agency have declared a national emergency for all lower 48 states of the continental United States. As of 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 12, 2024, there has been a breach of national security for all lower 48 states. All citizens are required to stay inside their homes until further notice. Close all blinds to windows and avoid them after you have done so. If you do not have blinds, find another way to cover your windows, such as covering them with towels or blankets. Secure and lock all entrances to your home. Do not answer your door for any reason. If you hear voices of known individuals coming from outside your home, disregard them and immediately hide under a blanket or piece of large furniture. They are not what they seem. If you go outdoors, you are putting yourself at risk of death. Once again, this is a national emergency, and the following actions need to be taken immediately. Close all blinds or cover all windows. Stay inside. Secure your home. Do not answer to anyone outdoors, even if their voices are of people you know. Keep following these instructions until an official all-clear message from the President is aired over the emergency alert system. Ignore all broadcasts that do not come from the official United States government. If you encounter a false broadcast, cover your ears and power